guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the crude oil markets. Crude oil currently trading at $80.33 a barrel. I feel like it's we're kind of in a very difficult place right now for the crude oil markets. You have on one half many investors who think that crude oil could easily be trading anywhere between $90 to $100 a barrel. Reason being is because the economy is still very strong. We have China that's reopened, and of course there's still a massive supply issue out there. Demand is heavily outpacing supply. And then on the flip side, you have the other half of investors who are arguing that we're on the cusp of entering into a recession. And of course, crude oil prices historically will tell you that when a recession does occur, crude oil does fall off a cliff and trades down to on average around $36 a barrel. So that's where we're at this moment in time. Of course, we have OPEC that are trying to bluster the crude oil prices here by cutting oil production. We heard that on Sunday where they've cut 1 million barrels per day, hence why we've had this gap higher. Now, from a technical perspective, what typically does occur when you form these gaps is that you have to go and close these gaps before then rallying higher. So if that was to be the case here, we could see a move down towards $75 where we fill the gap, and then that could be somewhere where we then find a bounce and trade back up towards these current levels. So there could be a good selling opportunity from a short-term perspective here for crude oil, but medium to longer term, one has to argue that everything from a medium to longer term perspective here is starting to look very bullish from a technical point of view here for crude oil. We've broken out of this downtrend. We've broken above the 50-day EMA. We have a bullish sloping 50-day EMA. So, things are starting to look significantly more bullish here for the crude oil prices, medium to longer term. Also, from a seasonal perspective, we're entering into a very bullish time frame for crude oil prices to move higher. But yeah, if you're a short-term trader, there could be a good short-term selling opportunity, but medium to longer term, things are starting to look very bullish here for the crude oil prices. If you'd like to join my Signal team, guys, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. It will take you through to my website where you can then benefit from our 30% discount that we currently have going this week up until next Tuesday to celebrate the month of Easter. When signing out, if you enter the coupon code Easter in capital letters, it will give you a 30% discount on both our yearly and monthly subscription plans. This means here, for example, for the yearly plan, it will take the price down from $299 all the way to $209, so a $90 discount. All you have to do is scan that QR code to join.